8-10 years, I have been watching the relentless efforts of Hemanta Babu in transforming not just Assam but in spearheading the initiative of faster development of the Northeast region. Because I live in Calcutta, I have visited all these places as a tourist many times, and I've always felt that the land had immense potential, the people had very good capability, very good nature, and but unfortunately infrastructure was lagging, and perhaps the focus of the government was also not so deep. In the last few years, we've seen a massive transformation, and I think we have to acknowledge the sterling role that Hemanta Babu has played in galvanizing all the different parts of infrastructure development, encouraging industrialists and businessmen to come here, having a very proactive.
People are not getting seats, there is demands, and there are growing demands for specialized service. So we are also welcoming private investment in the health sector. We have seen that there are several hospitals which are doing good businesses here, and along with the businesses, they are also catering the needs of the people, needs of the patient. Of course, this will be a very good addition, because in mother and child care we need more specialized care, and I am sure that this hospital will bring that to Guwahati. On IVF and the reproductive sector, there is a growing demands, and instead of going to Calcutta, New Delhi, Mumbai, people will be able to have those services here in this hospital. This is a very welcoming move. I can only assure that Guwahati is a growing city, peaceful city. We welcome investment, and state government will be very active to help you whenever you feel that there is a need to do something more. I once again welcome this Neotia Bhagirathi Hospital, and I am sure that this hospital will do great, and there will be definitely scope for further expansion. We'll discuss these things also. We have a good meeting in New Delhi, and with that we'll have some follow-up action also of that meeting, and I am sure that you will have a very interesting time in Guwahati. Neotia ji, Chairman Ambuja Neotia Group, Sri Parthiv Neotia, Director Ambuja Healthcare Group, Sri Rajesh Agarwala, Joint Venture Partner of the Hospital of Neotia Bhagirathi, ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely happy that Sri Harshvardhan Neotia ji has invested in Assam. This is their first venture. They are from today they are starting 100-bedded mother and child hospital, and I am sure that people of Guwahati, people of Assam, people of Northeast will be immensely benefited by this venture. We all know that Guwahati cater the need of Assam. Guwahati also cater the needs of the entire northeastern region. State governments, we have a huge focus on the health sector, and we have seen that there are expansion of health sector in Assam in a very rapid manner, both in government and in private. We have seen in government roughly 24 medical colleges which will be coming up by 2029. 14 is already in place, and rest hospitals are off in different level of progress. Guwahati will have we have Guwahati Medical College, and within this year the Pragjyotishpur Medical College is coming, and we are also taking up an ambitious scheme of investing 4,000 crores in Guwahati Medical College to make it a 5,000 bedded hospital.